Okay, my dear students of class 2, we want to learn spoken English. We want to speak English, right? So please, you should do what I say. আমি যা বলছি সেটা করবে, ঠিক আছে? আমি কিন্তু বাংলায় কিচ্ছু বলবো না, সব ইংলিশে বলবো। ওকে? Okay, let's start. Stand up. Sit down. Look at me. Look at the door. Look at the fan. Look at the board. Check your book. Keep your book on the table. Open your book. Close your book. Take your khata. Open your khata. Open your khata. Write your name. Write your name. Okay, stop writing. Stand up. Sit down. Raise your right hand. Right hand. Okay. Hands down. Raise your left hand. Very good. Hands down. Clap, everybody. Stop. Thank you very much.